Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Telegram group chats more private, especially for new members, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest way to hide chat history for new members in your Telegram group using Telegram Web on your PC. This is perfect for admins who want to make sure newcomers can't scroll back and see everything that's ever been shared in the group. Let's get started. First, open Telegram Web on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look through your chat list and open the group where you're an admin. Only group admins have the ability to change chat history settings, so double-check that you have the right permissions. Now, in the group chat, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots. Click on them. This opens a menu with several options. From here, select Edit or Manage Group depending on what you see. This will take you into the group's settings area. Inside the settings, find the option labeled Chat History for new members. This setting controls whether people who join your group can see messages that were sent before they joined. By default, new members might be able to scroll back and read old conversations, but you can easily change this. To hide the chat history, simply disable this option. You might see a toggle or a button labeled Hidden. Click on it so that it's activated. This ensures that anyone joining your group from now on will only see messages sent after they became a member. Older messages will remain out of reach, keeping your group's past discussions private. Don't forget to save your changes before you exit the settings. Once you've done this, your group is set. New members will only see what's posted after they join, and your earlier conversations stay hidden. That's it. With just a few clicks, you've added an extra layer of privacy to your Telegram group. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to explore more settings to keep your chats secure and organized. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy your private group chatting experience.